Welcome to my DIY project, part of International Teacher Training Program on Python with PictoBlox. In this activity, I have created a visual comparison of how 5 students spend their time studying versus sleeping. Let us look at the code. First, I import the required libraries matplotlib.pyplot for plotting and numpy to manage numeric operation positions for the bars. Next, I define the student names and their corresponding study and sleep hours. These are sample data. Then I use numpy to create a range of positions of our bar chart and I define the width of each bar. Now using the bar function, I plot two set of bars, one for study hours and one for sleep hours, placed side by side for comparison. I also add access labels, a title, a legend to differentiate the bars and grid lines to improve readability. Here is the output, a clear side-by-side bar chart showing how each student divides their time between studying and sleeping. This was my DIY project for session 5, Algorithm and Python libraries for data science. Thank you.